you are isolated, if your world has gotten smaller, having an electronic companion beats no companion at all. It does break down that isolation and it makes you feel more connected. And then when your family, your friends, your neighbors are all talking to you through it, it kind of takes on a personality.
I use my CATIE every day, several times a day. First thing we do is check in the morning, which I think is such a great feature.
I feel connected with my CATIE. It's like having a friend in the house.
Resident engagement is extremely important in any community, and CATIE feeds the information directly to the residents.
What CATIE does is create an ecosystem around you of the people who live close by, your family, your friends, merchants that serve you, staff that comes and helps you.
I love the idea that I can look up a daily schedule of what's happening. I can register for events that need transportation provided. I can check my dining menu, whether I want to have lunch or supper or breakfast.
One of my favorite features in CATIE is when I meet a new person for the first time, I'll go on the CATIE and look them up and find out where they live. And then if I want to call that person, I can just dial right on my CATIE, and it's almost better than using your phone.
I've worked at multiple communities that did not have this technology, and getting to use this technology, we are able to communicate with people so much faster and easier, and it really does improve satisfaction.
When we bought CATIE and rolled it out, our question was, would it be used? It was foreign to the staff, it was foreign to the residents. Today, I would say, if we didn't have it, we wouldn't be a market leader. And we wouldn't have as engaged of staff and engaged as residents as we have here.
There's a need for seniors to connect, whether that's with their family members, whether that's with each other. It's important.
It's just, really self-explanatory if you just go in and start using it. If you want something fixed, you go on your CATIE and you go under maintenance. You either choose housekeeping or maintenance, so it's very user-friendly.
CATIE creates moments in these residents' lives that they didn't have before. They're receiving messages from family members. They're listening to a song that they haven't heard in 30 years. There's little moments that CATIE creates for these residents that are really, really powerful.
What do you want to read? What do you want to hear? What do you want to see? And what do you want to do? When you are planning your day, that's your day. The end game is situational awareness. How do we improve their life?
I don't know what I would do without my CATIE. It would just be so hard to have everything written maybe on a sheet of paper, the daily activities, and having to check in a different way. I just would hate to be without her.